In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless patterns in Adobe Photoshop. This process is going to make your designs look professional and cohesive without any visible edges or overlaps. Let's dive in and explore each step with plenty of detail so you can follow along with ease. First things first, you need to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Make sure that you have the latest version installed to access all the current features and tools. Once you have Photoshop running, the next thing you want to do is ready your canvas. Think about the size and resolution of your canvas, as this will determine the quality and final appearance of your pattern. Set your canvas dimensions according to the project you're working on, but a common choice is often 1000 by 1000 pixels for a good balance between detail and manageability. Now let's step into the creative portion by adding your seamless image or design. Here, you could either create your design from scratch using Photoshop's vast array of tools, or import an image that you've prepared earlier. When importing, drag and drop your design onto the canvas and position it as you see fit. Ensure that your design elements are centered and have enough breathing room on all sides. This will make your pattern look balanced when duplicated. To duplicate your design, select the object or layer you wish to replicate. By holding down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on a Mac, click on the object and drag it across the canvas. You'll notice that this action creates an exact copy of your selected object. Arrange these duplicates alongside your original design to start forming the beginnings of your seamless pattern. The key to a seamless design is ensuring that there are no visible breaks or unnatural joints between repeated sections. Adjust the positioning of each duplicated object until they flow perfectly into each other. Finally, now that you have your primary layout, it's time to build on your pattern by duplicating further. Practice symmetry and rhythm in your designs by uniformly spacing your duplicates. Feel free to experiment with different configurations until you achieve a look that pleases you. As you iterate, remember to zoom out and examine the composition from a distance. This perspective helps ensure that the pattern maintains its seamless quality over a larger area. This technique is invaluable for any surface design, be it for fabric, wallpapers, or digital backgrounds. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on creating seamless patterns in Photoshop. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and motivating. Stay tuned as we continue to explore creative methods and tools. Happy designing!